This recipe reminds me my childhood memory because when I was a kid, almost like 10 years old, that time I used to be at home early morning. My mom used to give me 5 rupees to buy these fried globals, which is called Gwaramari. Actually, Gwara means round and Mari means roti in Newari. This came from the Newar community itself, and it was liked by all the people and every people around the society. So it was quite famous at that time, and I used to go and buy these little dollops of flour, and it was so good that time. And now it strikes my mind that how these simple ingredients can make so much delicious recipe. So actually in Nepalese culture, people don't eat much breakfast. There is no so much of breakfast like sausage, bacon, omelette or such kind of things in Nepal. But however, people used to take breakfast in a very simple way and mostly influenced from the Indian culture as well. So people are mostly eating puri, tarkari, sabzi, and yes, obviously tea. So tea has become so common, and this Gwaramari is one of the favorite snack early in the morning as a breakfast with a tea, and that goes very well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this easy recipe that reminds my childhood memory, and it is so easy that you can make it at your home very well. And I will teach you tips how to make it easier and what are the few ingredients that you can make it and that is available at your kitchen. So okay, so for this recipe I'm going to use very limited amount of ingredients. So as you can see in front of me, I have few ingredients, and for this recipe I'm going to need one large mixing bowl. Okay, then I'm going to need flour 2 cups. Okay, similarly we need to have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of cumin powder, fresh cumin powder. You make it toast and grind it. Then you have half teaspoon of baking powder, then half teaspoon of sugar. Okay, then 5 gram each garlic and ginger paste. You can use garlic powder, ginger powder also, but I prefer fresh garlic and ginger, which gives you nice strong flavor of garlic and ginger when you mix with the batter. Okay, so let's get started mixing with the mixing bowl. एकदमै सजिलो छ यो घरमा बनाउनलाई एकदमै सजिलो हजुरहरूले थोरै इन्ग्रेडियन्ट्सले पनि धेरै बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ सो दिस इज भेरी सिम्पल रेसिपी एउटा मात्रै यसमा इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा छ वान की इम्पोर्टेन्ट थिङ्स टु नोट द्याट वेन यु मेक दिस ब्याटर यु निड टु किप इट फर रेस्ट एटलिस्ट 8 hours so that the ingredients like baking powder and all the spices will nicely coagulate with the every other factor in this recipe. So look at this beautiful Gwaramari. So